So how much of resistance or cooperation do you see from IT companies specifically? Because of one of the things that the traffic police talk about is carpooling for people to reduce the congestion on the roads. But typically, would there be some kind of, in terms of strict measures taken against those companies who do not convince their employees to get into such things? Because that itself would reduce the kind of congestion. And what we see, the typical we see tweets that go viral and people talking about Ahmedabad being 10 years ahead of Bengaluru in terms of signaling and others as well. And we have people who tweet about that and make it viral as well. And then when you talk about Bangalore and Bangalore roads, you're talking about spending maximum time. The classic thing is you can come, get married and even stay in the same place again, right? So is there any pushback or resistance that comes from IT companies, or will there be anything taken action against those who don't engage in these?
There is no resistance from them. Number two, we cannot enforce them. Different laws will come into picture. We can only request them, advise them what to do, what not to do. Some of them do cooperate, some of them don't. Carpooling, for instance, we initially, when the whole carpooling story started, we requested them. Some of them, yes, they did. Later on, everybody wants to go independent. They want a vehicle separately, for various reasons. So they don't continue to do that. That's a big problem for us. Regarding, Ahmedabad and all that, we are much better. We are far ahead of Ahmedabad. In fact, our timing signal started in 1973. They must have started only, maybe 5 years, 10 years back. But we have started early. We are far ahead of, technology-wise, system-wise, we are definitely far ahead of them. I just want to tell you, if you see the speed, the vehicular speed, in Delhi, it's 17 minutes 37 seconds per kilometer, 17.37. And in Calcutta, it is 16.67. In Mumbai, it is 18.07. Bangalore is 18.47. If you go to the other end of this spectrum, Hyderabad is 23.40, just next door, and Pune is 22.45. So we are far better, but we want to be the best. We're trying to improve. Definitely we'll try to improve and reduce that speed per kilometer, so that movement, this reflects on the movement of the vehicle. So we are trying to do our best.